In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the pivot level into the New York Open breakout strategy. Pivot levels, like all the other setups such as the wedge, trend line, or previous day high-low, and other indicators, sometimes the market respects them. We can leverage them, but sometimes we cannot because the market just ignores them. In this video, I'm going to show you when we want to leverage the pivot level and how to use them. So first, in this chart, we can definitely see that after the market opens, it breaks down to the downside. And then this is a New York Open breakout strategy, and then pull back and then go down. So this is very clear that you want to wait for the pullback and then have the entry. And then this will be your signal bar. It's very clear. However, what about if you notice that there is actually a S2 level here? This is a pivot level, support level. And you can see that the market breaks this and then reverse back. What are you going to do when you see this line? Are you still going to trade downward, or you want to hold, or you want to wait for the upside pressure? Basically, you can read the chart in this way. This breakout also breaks the S2 level, even though this is a support level, but it breaks it and then pulls back. Here is testing the S2 level again, but it failed, and then it goes down. So in this case, this is a breakout and a retest of the S2 pivot level. This means the downside pressure is enhanced, so the probability of going down is increased. When you see this combining with the New York Open breakout strategy, you are very confident that it's gonna go down for sure. But what if the S2 level is not right at the top of the pullback? What about in the middle of the breakout? It's the same thing. We can still read it as breaking out the S2 level here and then retest S2 level again. However, this time you can see that it didn't even reach the S2 level. This means very strong breakout. Then this is gonna increase the probability to go down. So combining with the New York Open breakout strategy, you're more confident that it's gonna go down for sure. Another scenario. What if the S2 level is right below this bull bar? Then to me, it seems that the market goes down here and then respect this S2 a little bit and then pulls back. So in this situation, since this is a pullback, do you want to wait and then trade up so the trend is going to reverse, or you want to trade down? This is a very good question. It really depends on how you understand the market. So to me, this breakout is very strong. We have so many bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then last 3 bear bars here are super strong. This means the breakout to the downside is strong, so I will kind of ignore this S2 even though it reduces the probability to go down. Then I will trade down when I see this signal bar. However, if the breakout is not very strong, or if you see small pullbacks in between, then this support will increase the probability the market will reverse the upside. So in that case, I would recommend you just wait and hold here and see what's going to happen next. If it breaks this level, then you can find an entry to go down. Otherwise, I think don't trade, given there's a downside here. Or even you can trade the New York Open range retest, breakout retest strategy. Last scenario. What about the S2 is here? Basically, it's a little bit far away from the pullback. And then what are you going to do when you see this, or even the market goes down to S2? So to me, because the market doesn't seem to respect this S2, to me, then you can totally ignore this, and then the impact to the downside is minimum. Besides S2, there is also S3 somewhere, but in this chart, it's just at the bottom of the chart here. So very good conclusion is that if the market goes down and then pull back here to retest this S2, that means it respects the pivot level. If that's the case, the next level of the pivot level here you can use as the profit target.